Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's all about oral health. The COSLUS C20 Oral Irrigator Water Flosser. Now, if you're someone with braces, sensitive gums, or you just want to take your dental care routine to the next level, you're going to want to stick around. This isn't your average water flosser. It's gentle, cordless, waterproof, and designed to give you that super clean, fresh smile with ease. Now, full transparency, I was sent this product for free in the purpose of making this video. So who is COSLUS? They're a global home care brand that's really focused on affordable, high quality products for everyday wellness. From oral care to grooming, their mission is about comfort and self-love. And one thing I love is their support team responds within just 1 business hour. That's rare, and it shows how much they really value customer wellness. Let's get into some highlights of the water flosser. Number 1, so 99.99% germ removal. So let's start with our biggest claim. The C20 uses a 0.3mm and a 0.3mm ultra-fine dual-thread water pulse technology. That means you're getting a powerful but precise clean that removes up to 99.99% of germs and plaque from those tricky spots that brushing alone just doesn't reach. Alright, number 2, the extra large water tank. It comes with a 300ml water tank that's big enough to do a full flossing session without having to stop and refill, which honestly makes a huge difference in a daily use. Alright, number 3, pressure settings and 5 tips. Now there is 3 different modes. You get massage, soft and clean. So whether you have sensitive gums or you're tackling stubborn buildup, you can adjust it to fit your needs. Plus it comes with 5 different tips. Normal, orthodontic, periodontal, tongue cleaner, and a nozzle for everyday use. That makes it super versatile for families or anyone with braces or specific dental needs. This is another win. The battery lasts up to 30 days on a single charge. That's right, you don't need to put batteries in this. You can just plug it in with the USB cable that comes attached. So it's basically a month of use without worrying about constantly plugging it in. And since it's cordless and fully waterproof, you can even use it in the shower, which makes it perfect for a busy morning. Now, who is this for? Well, if you're health conscious and want better oral health, this is for you. If you've got braces, implants, or periodontal care needs, this makes cleaning so much easier and gentler. And for travelers, fitness enthusiasts, students, and busy professionals, the portability and long battery life makes it a no-brainer. Basically, it's a tool for anyone who wants a clean smile without spending that extra time. Okay, so I don't really want to show you the sink, but the first thing I noticed is a lot of kind of food and stuff in between my teeth actually just completely washed out. And it's kind of getting in, right in the gaps where the toothbrush may be a little bit harder to reach. So yeah, it just completely flushes out. Now I will say it's a technique that you do have to learn. You know, you can't just shove it in your mouth and expect it not to make a mess. There's a technique that I learned, which is basically put it in, close your lips a bit, then open it just enough so the water will run out of your mouth without splashing everywhere. Because if you go in mouth open like that, then yeah, that water is splashing absolutely everywhere. I've been testing this for the past week and here's what stood out to me. The gentle setting is perfect for sensitive gums, it doesn't feel harsh, plus it still leaves your mouth feeling fresh. On the flip side, the powerful setting really clears out that food in between your teeth after a good meal. And the best part, no messy countertop, no cords, no refilling midway, it's smooth, effective, and actually fun to use. So if you're ready to level up your dental care routine, I highly recommend checking out the COSLUS C20 Oral Irrigator Water Flosser. We are going to be leaving some links in the description below. You can head down there, find out some more information, or pick one up for yourself. Please share this with a friend who may need this in their life. Hit that like button, comment what your favorite feature was, and of course subscribe for more great reviews like this. We'll see you in the next one.